Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create or write a program that will ask the user to give a number, and then our program will determine what is the first and last number or digit of the given number using C# programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, subscribers, visitors in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos and your support. I would like to shout out my friend Tom, Sir Raymel, Sir Ernil, Marshmallow, Ma'am Robelin, and Sir Deven. If you want to be shout out in my channel, just leave your name in the comment section of this video tutorial and put the word shout out. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video and then the content of my channel, you find it useful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I'm using Visual C# 2005 Express Edition, but the code will work on the later or new version of Visual Studio or C#. It doesn't matter. So we have here, it is already auto-generated here when we create a console application in C#. And then I have two variable declaration. All of them has a data type of integer. When we say integer, it is a data type that can accept or store whole number including negative, positive, and zero. So we have variables, namely num_val and last, which I assigned a value of 0. A good programming practices, when we declare a variable, let's say for example an integer, if does not have yet any value, we have to assign it by 0. Why? Based on my personal experience, if we don't assign or initialize any value to our variable, in this case integer, there are some scenario or situation that when we run our program, the compiler produce wrong result. Okay, so to avoid such scenario to happen, make it a habit to initialize your variables to 0 if you are using a data type, float or double or a string data type in your program into your variables. Okay, so we have here console write line new line, and then the title of our program, first and last number in C#. This is the title of our program. New line here, and then in this line of code we are asking the user to give any number that will be stored in our variable num_val. In C#, normally when we say console read line, it will accept an input. The default value is a string, so we are using this command to convert whatever value that we give to our program into integer with this command, convert that to int 32. Next, last equals num_val modulus 10. If there is no remainder, it will be the last number. Now for the first number, we wrote here while loop statement, while num_val greater than or equal to 10, begin num_val equals num_val divide by 10 for the first digit here. Now in this portion of our code, we display the first digit plus num_val, new line here, and then the last digit plus add. And then the last portion of our code, we are displaying the text new line, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended in terms of execution, new line, and console read line to see the result, and then we close our program. I will put a link in the video description guys, so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two website. Now let us go run our program so that we can see the result. Let us click the start debugging or F5. Okay, so right now our console application first and last number in C# is running. It will ask any number. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5. So the first digit is 1, the last digit is 5, and a program. Another example, let's say 19 54. Give any number. The first digit is 1 and then the last digit is for end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.